People ask me how to start this business and what to do step by step. Here we go. First step, go to my website, fill out your name and email address, and click Get Access Now. Step 2, watch the short video and then be sure to join our VIP group. When asked who invited you, write Christy Samet. Step 3, we will give you more information about this business. Now it's time to become a member to join our community of over 160,000 people globally. Step 4, book your coaching call to strategize the best plan according to you and your budget. Invest and start your training step by step, and start earning money like a pro. So what are you waiting for? Scan the QR code to go to my website and start now. Welcome to the Freedom Lifestyle. Let's create a better future together.